Well, it's time for me to take the cornrows off. This was my first time ever having them. I've had box braids before, but this was my first time having cornrows. Honestly, I kind of like them better than box braids, though box braids look better. Cornrows didn't get in my face like box braids did. I don't even know who's on whose team. They need to do no shirts and shirts.
All the red shirts are together.
Oh, is it? So Max is always getting hurt.
The guy with the blue shirt and the orange socks.
Yeah.
Looks old, but bro's just as tall as himself.
Okay. Nice. Mi hermano. Oh, he's changed. Now he's getting serious. Let's go. Your team's counting on you. They're good? Oh.
There's always Jonathan's shoes.
And mine. The look.
Oh, Israel.
Oh, oh. Ah. Do you think it's the shoes?
Es de mi primo.
I don't know whose phone that is, but
Max has a very heavenly
right.
Es de mi hermano.
So I get. Oh, this guy is really calling Max. It's an importance. ¿Sabes si ese es de Max? No. Okay, so I just touched someone's phone.
Contestale.
But yeah. Should I? How do I open? Oh, there we go. Oh, I did it wrong. No, if he calls back.
Be like, aló, estamos en la cancha. You know, it could go really bad if a woman answers. You guys should answer.
Please call a third time. I don't know who Luvico is, but. Okay, here he is. Oh, wait.
You're like, aló, estamos en la cancha.
Aló, estamos en. ¿Dónde?
La cancha.
La cancha. Él está jugando. Puedes llamar más tarde.
Por estar poniendo el teléfono no había gol.
Mucha, ¿de quién es este teléfono?
Una emergencia.
Se llama Lubico.
Ah, lo ubico.
Dijeron que estás en la cancha, pero no.
Ya saben.
Okay. Unless he calls the fourth time then. Keep an eye on Luvico's friend. Luvico está llamando de nuevo. What's his name? ¿Qué es el nombre de él? Ay, Luvico está...
¡Ey, corre!
¿Aló?
¡Oye!
Bro's on the phone.
Oh, flank.
Enano, ya corta. Ya, deja el teléfono.
What the heck? Ah! Wait, where's Max going? Why are you getting out of your cage? Oh my god. Nice. No, that was coming right towards me.
And the baby's what matters, bro.
Oh wow. Oh, I forgot.
The baby's the only one that matters.
No, to be honest, yeah. Oh my goodness. Why is he struggling? Is it the shoes? Yeah, that's out.
No, saquen al enano.
Which one? Oh, here we go.
Vamos, Israel.
Yeah! Finally. 0-0. 0-0.
It's 3 to 5 right now.
No, le faltan dos.
No, imagina. Yeah! Wow.
¡Ese es mi equipo! ¡Agarren a Pitufo! No es Pitufo, como enano.
Called him a Smurf. He's not blue. We out here in Disney World in Guatemala.
Too bad this thing is in the way.
Alright. You like Guatemala?
Yeah, that's good.
I hate it.
What?
I said I love it. They even got anxiety and inside out characters. They got the 7 Dragon Balls. Jonah. Jonah. A minion.
Why is it just a random?
Because they gotta appeal to kids. Cars, more like Lars.
More like vehicles. Automotives.
Automotive. I found some hot sauce on the floor.
Oh.
Wow, that plane's real close. Max, ¿sabes qué es ahí?
El presidente.
Guatemala's White House.
Yeah, there's a greenhouse.
Oh, greenhouse. Yeah.
Pero allá no se puede entrar.
No, no.
En cambio aquí si quieren agarran y se...
Wow.
Go check
Entonces, gente puede matar al presidente si quiere.
No sería tan fácil.
Oh, was that
porque
too
mi
loud?
policía, ¿eh?
More minions.
Oh my god. That was like the first time riding on like the back of a motorcycle. Really? Yeah, I never did it. Actually, did I do it on yours?
Yeah, you did it on mine.
Maybe like one time, but like I don't remember.
Yeah, it wasn't. Where's this from again?
Legend of Zelda.
Looks like Berserk. Oh, wow. Mihawk.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
When he played Zoro. Big fan.
Do you not have a TV?
No.
I have a TV.
Do you want to give us the TV?
No.
Why? And you got a Pixar lamp?
Do you guys get a fan or no?
I don't.
Yeah, we do have a fan at least. Only one though, so I don't know how we're all gonna be cool.